When I find myself in
Cheeky.
times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to